had a little book that one of my older neighbors gave me several years ago, and it has all these fun cocktails. And the book was published in the early '60s, and it was really sort of the inspiration for these things. Everyone loves the holidays. You have get-togethers, friends are coming over for dinner or something, and not necessarily my generation, but the generation before me and previous, they had a lot of social cocktail hours. That's what people did for entertainment, and so we thought it would be a fun sort of a retro thing to do. And hopefully, I know some of our students for the lifelong learning class tonight are they're getting together with their friends, and they're all going to make, we're going to have 7 drinks this evening, so everyone's sort of taking one, and so it's a lot of fun. It's a little nostalgia. It's a little bit of nouveau, and just a lot of fun. Very comfortable. No, we're overcomplicating a couple things because we're snotty chefs, but we have to have a certain amount of culinary flair into that. But no, at the heart of it, these are pretty basic drinks. We're going to make some simple syrups that are a little bit more involved, but for the most part, they're very straightforward, honest flavors.